If you aren't, hey kids, I'm Lewis Scott. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm not using my original recording device. I am recording with my dad's old camcorder, which he let me use for some videos. Maybe not all of my videos that I record with my two cats. And if you're wondering why there's only one cat in the room, that is because Max was kind of being a little bit stubborn and did not want to come and enjoy the fun. So yeah, I can like turn, then I can also show you me. Hi. And there's a lot of other things that you can do with it. So yeah. Quite got some long whiskers. Have you guys noticed that? Look at those. Look at those whiskers. Like, wow. Why do you have so much, like, other hair on you? I know you've been around Max, but you've got, like, dust bunnies. Or are those, like, a million pairs of whiskers? Like, he's got a whisker, like, all the way up here. Like, this is a whisker. This is a whisker. Look, that right there is a whisker. Look, okay, so that's a whisker. And it's all the way, like, up here. When you have some crazy whiskers, man. Don't worry, I appreciate them. I'm not saying that you're banned from the house for having super long whiskers. So, Gladic is a black tuxedo cat. He's mostly black, if you can tell. And he has some white on him. Also, did you guys know, Gladic is possibly Batman? Look, he's got the Batman logo on his chest. If you roll him over, he's got the Batman logo. I didn't ask for you to stretch, man. Trying to show everyone that you're a part of Batman's team. Look, he has the Batman logo under him. I've revealed his true identity as Batman's cat. And bat and cat rhyme, so there's another part of it. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to scratch that like button and punch that subscribe button in the face like the bullies did to you at school. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!